In a world where Bollywood relationships are constantly in the headlines, for all the right and wrong reasons, there's one superstar who has managed to keep his love life almost invisible to the public eye, John Abraham. Married to investment banker Priya Runchal since 2014, John's relationship is the definition of low-key, drama-free, and built on mutual respect. But how does he do it? How has John managed to stay away from the endless gossip cycle that surrounds Bollywood couples? In a recent conversation with India Today, John revealed that it's all about making conscious choices. He's always kept his personal life separate from his career, and once his movies are done, he disappears from the spotlight to focus on what matters most, his private world. Unlike many in the industry, John doesn't rely on agents or publicists to create stories for him. In fact, he believes in speaking only when necessary. No oversharing, no orchestrated PR stunts. Just pure focus on his craft when he's working and on his marriage when he's not. Priya Runchal, his wife, also shares this mindset. She avoids the limelight entirely, rarely appearing at public events or on social media. This shared value system, John says, has been the biggest reason their bond has stayed strong over the years. They choose privacy, not because they have anything to hide, but because they believe that love doesn't need to be on display to be real. In an industry where scandals and rumors can destroy relationships overnight, John Abraham's marriage is proof that silence can sometimes be the loudest statement. What do you think? Is this the secret to a happy celebrity marriage? Or do fans deserve to see more of their favorite stars' personal lives?